Hi, this is Jane Hammersley from Maverick AV Solutions. Welcome to the Maverick Tiki Bar here at ISE 2020. I'm going to talk to Jay about Barco ClickShare Conference. Barco ClickShare Conference has just been released onto the market, and just like 2012, Barco have introduced yet another new category into this meeting space market. Let me show you. Thank you. Barco ClickShare Conference enables any user in the meeting space to quickly and easily connect to their in-room AV devices simply by pressing the button. What it does is it takes your platform and it moves your audio and visual that is normally here coming out on the camera of your device. You're normally sitting in front of that camera. Now in a meeting space where there might be multiple people in the meeting space in the same meeting as well, all of your connectivity is moved to the in-room AV. In this circumstance, we're actually looking at a projector and a screen, but it could be a display as well. Very simply, that content, the platform is moved to the in-room at the simple press of a button. For more information, please visit www.tdmaverick.eu. Thank you.